Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you people a lot of things. So if you want to hear and learn, then watch this video till the end. Let me share with you one thing, my friend. After a long time, I have kept my mobile at one place and I'm recording my video freely. Yes, you can see my both hands are empty and freely I'm recording my video. So ever since I started my channel, I used to keep my selfie stand in my hand and record my video, but today also I was doing the same. Then I started getting pain in my hand. Actually, most of the time we cannot record our video in one shot. For some reason I just stop in between and then I wait and then once again I start. So it takes time to record video, sometime, not always, So that is why most of the time I start feeling pain in my hand, and that's what happened today also. So I thought, okay, let's keep at one place and record my video freely. Actually, when I came here today for recording this video, so sun shining was bothering me. You might be thinking, why she's saying like this? Actually, just because of the bright sunny day, I wasn't able to make the eye contact with my mobile camera. Okay, so I waited. I thought if I record my video maybe 4 p.m. so I can make the eye contact. Maybe sunlight would be little dim, but it's okay now. I am able to record. Actually, sun is the sign of wisdom, sun is the sign of success, or sun is the sign of brightness. So many things are related to sun, right? So the way I was struggling to see the sun, and now also uh, it is bright sunny day and sun is shining very brightly. So if I try to look towards the sun, then I will have to close my eyes because sun is shining very brightly. I want to connect this situation with one thing. See, if we want to achieve something big, we face problem. So I told you before I started sharing something about sun, right? So keep your success at the place of sun. So see, the way we face struggle, or we struggle when we see the bright sunny day, or when we look towards the sun, when sun is shining. Same thing happen when we think to do something big in our life. We face problem. I mean, our thought start bothering us, right? Our mind starts bothering us, right? That how will you do it? We start overthinking. So same thing happen, but we should just wait and keep doing our work. Actually, when I found that it was bright sunny day, I wasn't able to make the eye contact with my mobile. I didn't stop. I tried in another direction. I was recording, but not for the posting, because if I make my video keeping my mobile in another direction, maybe my face won't be visible. Okay, so same thing goes with our success also. When we are unable to face the challenges, or we feel that it's very very difficult, even we should not stop. We can change the way, but we should not change the destination, or we should not change the goal. Okay, same we can apply for learning this language, for achieving anything in our life. See, my friend, it is obvious when we try to do something big, when we move towards something big, so we face challenges. Okay, if you get it easily, you won't enjoy the success. Because if you can get it easily, many people will get it easily, and then did you do any special thing? No, you will not feel it. You may have done something special, but you will feel, oh, everyone is doing. So when we try to do something big, then it's obvious to face the challenges, okay? Or if you are not facing, then maybe you are skilled, you may have done that work many times, that's why you are not struggling. Otherwise, as a novice, as a beginner, we face challenges. But my friend, I gave you the example of sun because you may understand it better way, okay? So in life, we face the problem when we try to achieve something big. So we should not stop. We can change the direction. I mean, if I cannot go this way, I will go another way. But my destination is same. I'm not going to change my goal. So if you have decided to learn English language, don't stop. If you have decided to achieve something in your life, then don't stop. Keep moving forward. If you face the obstacle on your way, then change some another way. Go different way and never ever change your destination. That's what I have learned so far. And I'm learning also. I won't say that I am very experienced. No, I never ever say like this, and I never ever think also. This thought doesn't come in my mind. So my friend, if you want to learn this language, don't stop. Keep learning. Whatever you are doing, I mean listening, reading, or talking to people, these all are adding up. And you may be not aware, but you are improving, okay? You may be not aware, but you are moving forward. You are going closer to your destination or your goal. Your goal may be speaking this language very fluently, right? So if you practice every single day, then it's obvious you are moving forward, right? So this is the thing. Actually, I thought if I take the sun example, it would be easy to make you people understand. I had read somewhere related to sun. There are many things written about sun, right? So when we try to move forward, so we can take the example of sun, that how we struggle to look towards the sun, or when we watch towards the sun, then we have to close our eyes, right? It doesn't mean when we try to do something big, then we have to close our eyes. No, it's just a small example that I'm giving so that you people can understand. Maybe my example is not good enough, but that's what came in my mind. I guess it is not the perfect example, but somehow I am trying. I found it is a good example. That's why I am sharing in this video. So in your case, my friend, if you are moving forward towards something big, it's obvious that you are going to face challenges, okay? So don't stop. Just change your way, and don't change your goal again and again. Otherwise, you won't be able to achieve anything. When we have many goals, so it's hard to reach to one. So just make one goal and then try to work on that one. And don't count how many hours you are practicing or how many hours you are working hard. Just keep doing hard work. You will definitely reach there. So this is the thing. Actually today I'm feeling little different. It seems that I'm giving a speech because my both hands are empty. I haven't done it before, so I have different feeling today. I'm so happy. We need to do something different in our life, right? So this is the thing I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video, or my video is a little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.